this virtual program will definitely make a difference in your thought process if you're really looking for a great business opportunity. This business opportunity is everyone can build this business, a very flexible, flexi time, part-time business opportunity. So maybe the person who have invited you here might have told about this project, or you will get a very neat and clear presentation today. And we are really fortunate to have a very excellent person experienced in this business. She is basically from Mumbai, born and brought up in from Mumbai, and did her MBA in HR, now settled in Cochin, and she is with 14 years of long experience in HR and affiliate in working with many major MNCs. You know, to speak about her the dynamism, and she is a social influencer having more than 25,000 followers in her LinkedIn accounts. You can just imagine. A special person. We are really gifted to have her here to give this business presentation. Without wasting much time, I would please join me to welcome Mrs. Janaki Srinivasan to this virtual stage. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful introduction. I'm here to share the opportunity today with everyone. And as we see, there is a lot of change which is happening around us because of the pandemic also. And a lot of people are still working from home, and we are gradually moving to the hybrid system. Fazil sir, if you could just share the slide, I will be able to take through the presentation. But before we start off, probably, we can have a 1-minute prayer for good health, peace, and prosperity for all. So maybe, just for a few seconds, we can keep our eyes closed. Okay. So I'm here to present a startup opportunity for you. And this is going to be a wonderful journey because we are going through a pandemic, and it is bringing in a lot of disruption along with it. A lot of things around us are changing. If you look at it, consumer behavior is changing, consumer buying pattern is changing. A lot of things have moved online. Even sewing companies are selling their machines online, which they used to do offline before. So we are going through a transition phase in this pandemic, and any transition phase is an excellent time to start up something new and put your efforts and energies towards that. So there are a few things which you should have in you to start up. One is that you should be looking out to build something. You should be ambitious, willing to learn, willing to change, willing to unlearn a lot of things. And if you do not have the capital also, you can build a startup at an affordable cost, a low cost, a debt-free business. So that is what I'll be sharing with you today. Yep. As I just mentioned, every trend, every product, and every service that is being sold today has moved largely digital. It is going online, and including the food that you buy, including the FMCG products that you buy. From a brick and mortar model, we are moving to a largely online medium, which will again mature to grow into a social commerce business. So if you look at the industry trend, all the products are being sold through the social mediums, through social influencing mechanisms, through online mechanisms, which will eventually graduate to become a social commerce business. That is what we are going to see in the futuristic trend. In another 1 or 2 years, it has already started happening, but almost everything will move to social commerce, which you see in this right hand side corner. And more and more in-house within India platforms will also come. Next. So when you buy any product in a normal e-commerce channel, whether it is Amazon, Jabong, Flipkart or Paytm, they don't pay you to purchase. You know, if you buy something from their online medium, they are not going to make you or pay you to buy products from there. Maximum you might get is some cashback, 2% or 5%. Otherwise, you still end up going to their sites, you buy, you give the hits to them, and you become the traffic for them. Whereas here is an opportunity which gives you a chance to become a prosumer, where you are directly becoming the seller or a reseller of the product, and you get paid for using them, you get paid for retailing them, and you will also get paid in distributing them. That is what direct selling is about. And we are directly associated with the manufacturer and supplier in India itself. So you have a chance to grow this by way of using, retailing and distributing while being a proud prosumer as well as a business owner. So here is a company called Amway, which has set up a 1,000 crore facility in Neelakotai in Madurai. And they are running these operations from there, where manufacturing of all the home care nutrition products are happening currently. And these businesses have completely come online, where the products are being delivered to 9,000 pin codes. You can, sorry, you can buy the products, you can make, anybody can become or buy a product online. And you can also, sitting here in Cochin, you can sell this product in Delhi and Madhya Pradesh today. That seamless it has become these days, right? So direct selling industry was invented by Amway in 1959. They're celebrating their 25th year in India, and globally they are celebrating 70 years of business worldwide. So this year has also been very crucial, where Mirabai Channu has become one of the brand ambassadors for the company, and the tie-ups with ITC as well as Art of Living Foundation also has come in this year as they celebrate the 25th year celebrations in India. So by 2025, since the business is completely gone digital, we can look at a industry turnover of about 64,000 crores for direct selling alone. And if you look at the market, because of the pandemic, plenty of businesses have gone shut, whether it is hospitality, travel, several entrepreneurship ventures for the last 2.5 years have tried to sustain themselves, but they have not been able to grow further. So the fastest medium for them to pull back their lives could be direct selling, and this presents an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurship for each and every person. Yeah, Amway is present in 108 countries, and they are associated, and they have so many brands with them: Nutrilite, Artistry, Attitude. These are all brands that are associated with them, and they have patents for all these products, more than 400 plus products. Yeah, 450 plus self-manufactured products, and they have international patents for these products, and they are one of the top 50 companies as part of the Forbes list in USA. So this is only going to grow in India, considering the Atmanirbhar mission which the Indian government has, and they want more and more people to become self-reliant. So direct selling is one of the finest opportunities for under 35 people to start off something in a low cost debt-free model. And it is also for somebody who's starting a second innings. Like if you look at companies overall, they hire 25 plus age group of people, but as you grow, like, you know, once you're 40, 45 plus, if you need an opportunity, generally people go into a business opportunity, and this is one of the finest opportunities in the market today. And you will be able to get more and more details about nutrition and wellness, beauty, kitchenware, air purifier. There are a lot of training programs centered around this if you want to champion one of them while being a business owner. So here it is. See, FMCG products are something which people use on a daily basis, whether it is toothbrush, toothpaste, floor cleaning products, or Ayurvedic products. If you look at nutraceuticals, it has grown by 30% just because of the COVID pandemic. In the last 1.5 years, if you look at it, Ayurvedic products and immunity products business has gone up by 30% overall. So again, there is a fantastic option for anybody to choose the products which they want from 170 products that are available and use and distribute them. So it's a very simple one. You can build this business anywhere in India, sitting at home. Internationally also you can build it. As of now, everybody is largely glued to their systems at home. They are using social media a lot. Earlier days, you have to go in person and meet them and participate in meetings. All that is now moved online. So you will be able to do that online every week. There are meetings. So you will be able to use these world-class patented products, talk to people about them, recommend and retail them, and build a volume around it. Yeah. So what is the first thing that you do is you go in for a brand change. You will be using a current set of products, and you will be required to do a brand change. Unless you use the products, you may not be able to recommend them, or the belief will not translate to another person unless you use the product. So brand change is something which is necessary. And you share it with others. In the process of sharing, there is a fantastic business model that comes in, which I will just run you through. Yeah. So here is the business model. When you get associated with the company, first is you can become a customer, a preferred customer, wherein you will be enabled a login and a password. You will be able to buy whatever products you wish to. And in case if you would like to retail the products, you can retail the products as a direct retailer, and you will be getting a commission from 3% to 21%. There are various levels, and based on your volume of growth, you will be entitled for a 21% commission on it. And approximately you could earn anywhere around 1,68,000 over a period of time once you start building your organizations, right? So let us take an example of how this is built. Say you come into this business and you start using the products every month. Say you purchase some products about 10,000 rupees. So there you get some discount for the products that you buy as a distributor. Suppose if you want to buy and give it to some of your near and dear ones, or your apartment residents or your complex residents, you can get a trade discount, and you can also get a retail profit on that. So approximately, say you make 1,875 rupees in the first month, okay, and you continue doing that for an entire year, and probably somewhere around 22,500 could be your yearly income, which is a fairly good income. Your mobile recharges, your electricity bill, a part of your electricity bill, and all these things are taken care of. This is a good income for anybody who has been jobless and unemployed, or even otherwise. Next. Suppose in the next few months, based on your usage of toothpaste or toothbrush or randomly any beauty product, if there are some 10 families which are consuming the products, you must be doing a business of around 1 lakh, around 1 lakh as a turnover. Your personal income could be anywhere at 6,675 rupees, including retail margin, trade discount, and customer sales incentive. So annually, your income is around 80,100. 80,100 is one of the fantastic incomes yearly. Even your bank account, if you keep money there, you will get only 4%. So comparatively, if you look at it here, you're using the products and recommending it to other people, your yearly income is around 80,100 rupees, which is a good second income, a parallel stream of income over a period of time. And this 10 over a period of time becomes 100. Hello, can you just move to the next slide? Yep. So suppose if this 100 families turnover consumption comes in, so your monthly income could be around 1,65,343, which is a very good income in today's time, considering so many people have lost jobs. So approximately 19,84,116 rupees. If the number of people in your network grows to about 100 families and everybody makes a purchase of about 10,000 rupees, and this is what you can look at. And this is a very good income which keeps building over a period of time. So in order to build this, you are getting paid based on the sales volume actually, which you can really sit down with the person who has invited you and get to understand more. All these things which are mentioned here, like say retail margin, trade discount, core plus incentive, these are all money in different names. These are all different names which are given to the kind of business that you will be generating and the kind of volume that you will be generating, which you need to sit with the person who has invited you today and understand it. That is the beauty of direct selling. And once you grow your team, you will be able to help the other people in the same method. So far, Amway has paid 3 lakh crores payout in its entire tenure. And 6,500 crores is what they have paid out in India to all the people who are doing this business. And we have a fantastic mentor who is a founder's emerald, Fazluddin and Sufia, who are mentoring it. See, if you start any business today, nobody is going to tell you if you put a dosha stall, okay, you have to run the dosha stall like this, get customers like this. But here in this business, you will have mentorship and support. You can go and ask whatever doubts you have to your mentor, and he or she will be able to guide you in the entire thing. Yeah. And Sumit and Tanya Bahadur, they are the country mentors for us. And they both were successful computer engineers. And now they're building their Amway business successfully in India. So you will also be part of the BRIC worldwide system. Once you come into this business, there is a proper system. Once your network grows, everybody will be aligned into the system so that it starts propelling well into the future and you can build a strong support team around it. Yeah, what is required from your side as far as this business is concerned is your time investment is required. Okay, co-creating the brand loyalty. There are about 170 products, so you choose the products which you wish to use and be loyal to it. And through systematic retailing, you will be able to create clients, and you will also be able to build a network of core direct sellers over a period of time. And you must be willing to associate and learn. Yep. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask your team or the person who has invited you today for any further clarifications. Yeah. Thank you. I think, over to you, Prasad sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. On behalf of everyone, I give a big round of applause. It was a wonderful presentation. To highlight the best part is she has started the presentation with prayers to Almighty. That shows the divinity and the spirituality of this business. And I would say, fact of the matter is always truthful. Truth is very short and crisp. That is how Madam Janaki's presentation was. Straight to the matter, very short, simple. I think all the new members who are in here with us have got the subject clear, but you may have many doubts in your mind and you will be needing clarifications. as she has kept on saying that please sit with the gentleman who has, the person who has invited you here for the meeting, and get the whole presentations clarified. If at all there is a doubt, otherwise you can decide to go ahead with the business. During the presentation, Madam Janaki has spoken about many products which our Amway Corporation has, and those products are gold standard, and always with the 100% money back guarantee, which she has highlighted. There are various ranges of products. You may be wondering how this product would be working, because the demonstration is the real truth to talk about the product. For demonstrating the products, we have a very special person with us here. He's a very young gentleman, and with vast experience, and he worked for railways and quit as mechanical engineer, and he worked as airways as airfield engineer, and now doing the stockbroking and mutual funds business. With his busy schedules, he is building this business as part-time with his family members. Please help me welcome Denzil Bayer, sir. Over to you, please, our young gentleman. You are not audible, sir. Please. You have to unmute.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yep. Go ahead.
Mr. Prasad. That was a beautiful introduction for myself that you did. And Madam Janaki presented a good plan. So there's no option but to show how a product works. And I have been given this pleasant task of showing you how the product works. So today, of course, I was scratching my head, no hair on the head, on what product I should show. So I decided to show one of the first products that Amway launched. It is known as LOC, Liquid Organic Cleaner. I call it lots of cash. LOC is also equal to lots of cash. It's a beautiful product. I first introduce the product. This is one of the first products our founders introduced into the direct marketing business. I think it's the first product, if not one of the first. It is a very, very powerful cleaner. It effectively cleans grime and dirt. It's a multi-purpose formula which works on almost any cleaning job. It never leaves any residue. It's safe for all washable surfaces like floors, sinks, worktops, molded furniture, appliances, painted walls, fabrics, utensils, laundry, and wall tiles in your bathroom. It is actually value for money. 1 liter of this LOC, you can dilute to get 167 liters of cleaning liquid, which is great value for money. It is safe and gentle on your hands. It has a neutral pH value. It won't harm your hands. Its contents are basically coconut oil and palm oil. You can put it for your plants after you use it. It's very, very safe. Won't harm your plants. Won't harm your environment or anything. Even the container is biodegradable. You can believe the container. And it removes stubborn stains. Now, when I say stubborn stain, I worked as a practical engineer. During my practical training as an engineer, I was working on diesel locomotives. My hands used to be very, very messy, full of grease, and we just could not get rid of that blackness when you come home to eat. However much soap you put. I wish this was there that time. But now this will clean everything. Especially like, auto mechanics or people who work on greasy diesel engines and all, it will clean well. Now I'll show you how to clean, because I'm going to give you a demo on using wood polish. Wood polish is a very, very stubborn thing which won't go off your hands. Now let's begin the demo. I hope it will work well and succeed. Can you see this? This is boot polish. I'm going to put it on my hand. Because of humid weather, it's not drying so easily, but I'll wait for a couple of minutes for it to dry. And those who had experience of rubbing boot polish on your hands or getting hands messily greased up and can't clean it, this is one thing that we can use to clean. This is the product that I'm going to use, LOC Home Care product. To my good luck, the normal container that I use is already empty. So I'm opening a new container. Yeah, friends, it's dry. Those who want to try in your house, you can try. So I'm going to put just a couple of drops. I hope you can see how much I put. See. Can you see? You can try in your own house using wood polish. It's a very, very stubborn thing, it won't come off. Now I'm going to use a clean handkerchief of mine to clean it. See my hand? Isn't it super? Now, while Mr. Prasad continues with this program for another few minutes, one few drops fell on my table. This is my nice clean handkerchief. Okay. Now I'll show you this handkerchief after 5 minutes or so. I've kept a mug of water here. This is a mug of plain water. I'm just soaking it here. Okay. And my demo is almost over until I show you how it cleans. We'll take it out after a few minutes when Mr. Prasad goes on with this program. So this will bring you lots of cash. Liquid organic cleaner, one of the first products that I understand which has been introduced by Amway. Upline leaders like Mr. Fazluddin or somebody can enlighten us further on this. But I know this is a fantastic product. I use it for many operations. You can even clean, wash your clothes if you run out of soap. Yeah, put a half a cap or 1/3 of a cap in a bucket of water and use it for a fabric cleaner. You can use it to clean your walls. You can use it for cleaning your floors. You know, whether it is wooden floor or ceramic floor or wall tile or any other floor. You can use for cleaning your floors for various cleaning purposes you can use, and I will vouch for it. Okay, so thank you all for this. I'll come back to you after Mr. Prasad finishes his other activities on this, and then we can check the handkerchief. I hope my beautiful handkerchief will come back clean. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Thank you all for listening and paying attention.
Thank you, Denzil sir. Anyway, the proof of your demonstration is awaited. Maybe after 2-3 minutes you can show. It was a brilliant presentation with every detailed explained very clearly, a simple presentation. That is the power of our product, which will be proved in a couple of minutes. Denzil sir has said the product name is LOC, and he said it is with lots of cash. The Amway Corporation started the business with this primary, the startup product, LOC. And there are, our presenter has said that in India, we have more than 170 products. Every product will speak about its facts and figures. Every product is made of organic, not with any synthetic chemicals. So this is all about it. Thank you very much, Denzil sir. And the new invitees, now we have understood the power of this business, the business, what the financial freedom it can give you, and what is the time freedom it can give you. And it is all about encashing money out of your own expenses, as very well said by the presenter. So it is up to you now to decide, because nothing can be pushed or pressurized. In fact, I would really be congratulating you, and you have to thank the person who has invited you here today. Please sit with him and understand the whole facts. Now, we have a very special person with us. After the proof of demo is shown, then I'll be inviting him. I'll give his introduction. He's our presenter, Madam Janaki, has shown the income structure, and he is much beyond the income structure which was shown in the table. He has reached the level of Founders Emerald, and he was earlier, like all of us, working for a MNC banking organization. He has also done his MBA degree, and his wife has done her master's, and she was an educationist. And they have quit the job, and they have started this business and reached a level of almost a freedom of money and time. Founders Emerald, that means in the income structure for the newcomers, maybe the income range would be 40 to 50 lakhs approximately, and plus. There are many more the payouts from the Amway corporations for the great leaders and achievers. I'll be inviting him after Denzil sir's the demo proof is shown. Over to you, Denzil sir.
Yes, sir. Here's my handkerchief.
Is it clean?
I don't know, you judge me. See, I'm
Yeah.
turning it also.
Yes.
All I did is I just squeezed out the water.
Excellent. Great.
You
Really.
know, when I was working as a mechanic on the shop floor, trainee engineer mechanic, horrible it used to be. We had to use diesel to clean hands, and even then it wouldn't be clean. I wish this was there that time. Fantastic product. See?
Thank you very much. Great.
Now you go home, put polish, and try with any other detergent. I guarantee you it won't come off as good as this. This is the power of LOC, liquid organic cleaner, lots of cash. And I'm very happy with this product. I do a lot of unconventional things with that, which I don't want to mention here. There's somebody told me, why do you do this? You know, you can even clean your car. You can clean a lot of things. Okay, thank you for that, giving me the opportunity for the demo. If those who have a doubt on the thing, here's the handkerchief. Turning it also. Okay, thank you. Carry on, Mr. Prasad.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. LOC is also known for all-purpose cleaning. Yeah. Now, likewise, there are many products. You should sit with the gentleman who has invited and know about all these products, or you can even Google it to know the product ranges and its qualities. Now, we have sufficient time, and I would really request our leader, our mentor. I have given his introduction, and he's a person with down-to-earth qualities and a great leader to mentor all of us. If you are all today here, it's because of Mr. Fazluddin. And he has been mentored by our great executive diamonds, Mr. and Mrs. Sumit Tania, which you have seen their pictures in the presentations. So please help me welcome Mr. Fazluddin. Over to you. You are not audible.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, Prasad, for your wonderful hosting. Today, Janaki did a wonderful job, and it was a super presentation. And each and everybody can easily make out what is real money in our plan, a business plan. Of course, Denzil sir did a very simple demo, and he is the youngest man in our group. The sense means approximately 70 plus. And he's the youngest man, still is adoption. That is a great thing. He's adopting with the technology and doing the business. That is a great thing. But we rarely came across that sort of people. That is the thing. Janaki, anyway, in the technological level, and technologically, she is, especially the social media, she is very active. And Denzil sir at this age also is adoption is doing with the technology and growing through that. That is a great thing. This is a very simple business. My dear friend, I used to work with a multinational bank, Citibank. I retired at the age of at the age of 30. Now I am 45. I used to tell about what I achieved through this business is nothing but what my father used to work at the age of 55 and retired as an headmaster. And what he made at age of 50, the same thing I achieved at the age of 35. That means approximately around 20 years I saved. I own my own house, car, and everything without liability through this business. That's possible through this business. That is what I want to tell you, my dear friend, especially newcomers. So how you have you can prolong the agony. Otherwise, by to the EMI, by to the financial hurdles, by the abstraction, so many things. At the same time, why you are prolonged the agony? If you have a good opportunity, don't prolong the agony. It will not give you anything. Don't prolong the agony. Make use of the opportunity right away and make money. We all are with you. This is a simple work, teamwork. Together, everybody makes money. That's all. Together, everybody makes miracles as a team. That is the thing I just want to tell you. Over the Prasad. Thank you so much. Over the Prasad. Thank you so much. Giving an opportunity to me to present here. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Fazluddin, sir. It was a very, very crisp, shortest possible message you have given us. With this, we have come to the end of the program and wishing you all the very best. Thank you.